Welcome to this unboxing video for the VanMoof Electrified S2. Our bike doctor Seb is here to show you everything you need to get rolling. Got an electrified X2? The steps are exactly the same. The first step is get the bike out of the box. Make sure to keep the box. You never know when it might come in handy. Oh, hello you! Congratulations on your new VanMoof. So you've started unboxing already? Why don't you unbox along with us? Are you ready? Let's remove and recycle the protective packaging. Every VanMoof comes with a toolbox. It contains instructions that show you the simple steps we're about to follow and all the tools you need. Here they are. Now for the fiddly bit. You're about to attach your front wheel. Put it into the holder with the motor cable facing downwards and brake disc on the left side. That's the big shiny thing. Now take the non-turn washer. Make sure that the bump faces down and outwards. Slide it onto the brake disc side of the wheel. Don't rush this step. Pick up the bike and gently lower the front fork onto the front wheel as far as it will go. Be careful not to damage the disc brake as you do this. Good job. Add a washer, then place the anti-theft nut on top while pushing the wheel away from you. Tighten with the anti-theft nut tool and Mega Wrench 15. You'll need to do the same on the other side. Check the wheel is centered and give it a spin. If you've attached it correctly, the wheel should spin freely without making any noise. It may take a couple of attempts to get this right. Don't panic, just rewind and start over. Feed the motor cable under the fender stay. Align the two arrows on the cable ends and push them together. Carefully tuck the cable into the hole in the front fork. Then protect it by screwing on the motor cable cover. The holes on the motor cable cover should be at the bottom. Use Allen key 3 to screw the cable cover in place. Oh wow, look at you! Great job! Now let's assemble the pedals. The pedals are attached to the correct sides of the bike when you receive it. In case they get mixed up, you can tell which one is which because your left pedal has 3 stripes on it. Hello! This is the left side of your bike. It's, on the left. Screw the left pedal counterclockwise onto the crank by hand. Then tighten as much as possible using wrench 15. The right-hand pedal screws on clockwise. Tighten as much as possible using wrench 15. Now your turn. Just remember, right pedal turns clockwise. left pedal turns counterclockwise. Good work! Next step, adjusting the handlebars. You'll need Allen key 4. Rotate the stem 90 degrees so it's in line with the front wheel. Keep the front wheel between your legs to make this easier. Make sure the stem stays in line with the front wheel and tighten the bolts firmly. First the top bolt, then the bottom bolt, then again top and bottom. Push and pull the handlebar to check it's tight enough. If you feel movement, just tighten a little more. Over to you. That's it. And don't forget the... Perfect! That's the handlebar done. Now we'll adjust the saddle. So grab Torx key 30. Insert the bigger end into the hole on the side of the top tube and loosen the bolt. Keep an eye on the line on the seat post, it shouldn't go higher than this. The saddle should be about as high as your hip. When you're happy with the height, just tighten it up again using Torx key 30. Saddle step completed. Now the exciting part, it's time to wake the bike up. To do this, just insert the charging cable. You can take it straight out again. This is a one-time thing to get the bike out of shipping mode. Download the VanMoof app and register your bike using the code printed on your manual. The app will guide you through the steps to set your backup unlock code. Choose a 3-digit code and save it. Great! Alright, you're almost ready to ride. Just a quick lesson on locking your bike. This is the world's smallest bike lock, the Stealth Lock. Yep, that guy there. Line up the stripes on the chain cover with one of the stripes on the rear hub. All lined up? Gently kick the Stealth Lock to arm the alarm system and power down. It's as easy as that. Locking lesson? Check. There are 2 ways to unlock. If your phone is connected, all you need to do is press the left handlebar button. Roll the bike forward within the countdown to get going. And don't worry, without a connected phone, you can always use your backup unlock code. That's it. Your Electrified is ready to ride. Thanks for watching. If you need more help, just head to support.vanmoof.com.